Hello my beautiful people, and welcome back, and happy Pride Month to you all. Today we are pouring for a Pride collaboration, which I'm so excited to be a part of. This is going to be a really wonderful, colorful, beautiful collab, and I hope you guys will watch everybody in it because I know they worked really hard for you guys to make beautiful pieces. Today we are going to be doing something kind of different and kind of fun and hopefully pretty fast. I have here a rainbow palette. I'm just going to tell you what the colors are real quick. HOA, if you could kind of pan. We have a Cadmium Red that I think was mixed with some Arteza Bordeaux. This is Marigold with some more orange in it. That's a Cadmium Yellow Deep. This is DecoArt's Emerald Green Metallic. This is Golden's Pthalo Turquoise. This is Golden's Pthalo Blue. That's Golden's Paynes Grey. This is Amsterdam's Permanent Blue Violet. Then I have some DecoArt 24 karat gold, some bronze from Amsterdam, and some pearl yellow from Amsterdam. So we have a lot of colors to work with, but that's okay because I'm using a 36 by 36 inch gallery wrapped canvas that we're gonna have a lot of fun on. But I wanted to put these out here first because what I'm going to be doing is a variation on the flop cup technique that we've been doing. I saw my friend Nate Bright doing one last week where it was more like a yeet instead of a flop. So it looked really fun and very promising. So that's what we're going to be playing with tonight, is that idea of really throwing the paint kind of farther than just a flop cup. And I'm hoping we can make something pretty cool. So I'm not going to be using one big cup. I am going to be using a bunch of smaller Dixie cups and layering them, and then we'll yeet them one at a time. I'm excited. Okay, so these are my little Dixie cups, and I'm not gonna layer them all the same. They're gonna be a little bit different. We'll just put out 3 or 4 at a time. So I'm gonna start with some warm colors, and I'm not gonna put every color in every cup. I'm gonna put like 3 colors or 4 colors in each cup. So this one's gonna get the red, the yellow, some orange, a little bit of pearl yellow, and some gold, and then we're going to do one more layer of red on the top. And I started thinking about this after that the big split cup that I did with the rainbow palette, how I stacked the colors in the chambers. It's kind of neat. Okay, so that's our reds and yellows. Let's do a blue one. .36 by 36. I have taped and pinned the back and put my push pins in, and I have painted my sides and edges with a little bit of one of my leftover drips colors. This is titanium white. So we're gonna pretty much pour kind of a bigger puddle in the middle and sort of tilt this out a bit. I might as well use all of it. I have other base coat colors. Okay. Bless you.
Thank you.
Okay, so think about a fan shape. So what I want to do is kind of start here and go this way, then this way, then this way.
What are you gonna like fling it like each one like a fan?
No, I'm just gonna fling it in a line.
Oh.
But I want to do like a fan shape with all the 10.
Okay.
Okay, all right. We're gonna start with this one. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Turn around.
So we're gonna go like here
Turn around.
to there. Oh, you wanna? Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Aye, lass. Bring the pains. Get that? Bring the pains.
Yeah, I see.
Bring the pains.
Okay, here we go. Ready?
Yeet.
Okay. Ooh, that's pretty, actually. All right. There's a little more in the cup. Let's see if we can't heat that onto there too. Okay, that's good. All right. Now, let's go for one of these with the purples. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try to get this like this way.
Do you want one that's going more this way or no?
No, not yet.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Yeet.
Here we go. Woo! Okay, that's cool. Well, that's
You want the
really
white in between them?
pretty. You just
Okay.
chill. All right, let's go with this turquoisey one next. Are you ready, darling?
Aye, lass.
Here we go. Okay. I'm gonna switch back to this blue and yellow one. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Okay. Maybe thicker layers on top is not so great.
Mm.
Alright, let's go with this one. Alright. Here we go. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. That's cool. There's a ton of cells right there.
Yep.
You can see them. Alright. We're gonna go in here. No, we're gonna go in here in the middle right there.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeet.
I'm not getting as much red in there, so I'm gonna put a little bit more red in my cup. Do that one more time. There we go. Okay. Oh, it's warm in here now.
Oh, you're throwing all that paint.
We're gonna go one like over here now.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay. We're gonna go in maybe up a little higher this time.
Okay.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's cool. All right, we're gonna go up in here now.
Okay.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We got one more. Like fruit up in there.
Okay.
Here we go. Or maybe over here would be better. What do you think? Maybe over here. Through that very solid blue part.
Okay.
And we get a lot of solid blue. Okay. Now let's see if we can't throw some of this turquoise one in there. Okay. It's actually looking pretty cool. All right. So this is awesome. This is kind of exactly what I was going to hope would happen. I'm going to suggest that you move your phone in your battery case. All right. I have another couple of drips from my last pour. Do you see right in here? Look at this really trippy, itty bitty tiny cells. Okay. All right. Moment of truth. Let's tilt this. Okay. find the way to the paint and walk it down. Ooh, that's heavy. There's a lot of paint on here. I'm gonna go off that corner.
Oh, that's a really big canvas. Or pretty big.
Take this back to the center. Now we're gonna go off the other side. So far, so good. That's funny, I'm not seeing a lot of purple. I'm gonna just lift this up, let it float. Come down this way. Ooh, that's cool.
Very, very cool.
You think we should stop there?
Yeah. What else would you do?
Look at that little bit of red and green and stuff right there on the corner. Can you see that?
Where?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's a trip, man. Okay. Alright, I'm digging it. I'm definitely getting rainbow, so. Okay. That's kind of awesome. I'm happy with that. You think it's good, HOA?
Hell yeah.
Okay. Awesome. We're gonna let this dry and I will show you this when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out here with us today. I hope you've enjoyed everybody else's videos. Please go give them a like, leave them a nice comment, share the videos if you can. It means so much to us and it helps us so much to grow organically. We appreciate you guys so much. So we'll be right back. Happy Pride! Okay, so this is almost totally dry. It's dry around the edges, but this came out really, really pretty. I'm very pleased and happy with how this worked out. I think these cells are absolutely gorgeous in here. All of these really fine details and these beautiful colors and the lines, like these cells in here are just so pretty. They make me very, very happy. I love this little blue one up here. All of these colors. These little ones in this turquoise section are just so cute. So, really fun. I like for those of you that aren't sure, yeeting actually means to throw something pretty far. So this was our flinging paint, our yeet cup. And it was a lot of fun. Thank you all so much for being here and watching everybody in our Pride collab this year. I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys did too. We'll see you real soon.
Happy Pride Month.